Hello, my dear students from Al Hasri Language School. Primary 3 Grammar. Today, we are going to take a new lesson about how to form a question. It's a very important lesson, and I want all of you to concentrate with me. So now we are going to know how to form a question. First, in order to form a question, we follow these steps. We have main 5 steps we have to follow in forming question. Number 1, start with a suitable question word. Number 2, put a helping verb. Number 3, put the subject. Number 4, put the main verb. Number 5, put the rest of the sentences if there is any. And now I will show you the usage of every question word. It's a very important step to know the usage of every one. Okay? Number 1, what? What? To ask about things, colors, and time. Number 2, who? Who? To ask about people and persons. 3, where? Where? To ask about places. Number 4, when? When? To ask about time. Why? Why? To ask about reason. Whose? Whose? To ask about possessions. Which? Which? To choose one of two things. How? How? The way something is done. How old? How old? To ask about age. How often? How often? To ask about the number of times of something. How long? How long? To ask about the length of space or time. How many? How many? To ask about numbers. How much? How much? To ask about quantity and price. And now, let me show you some examples about forming a question. We said who, to ask about person. Like when I'm saying, who is that man? That's Peter. What time? To ask about time. What time did he call? At 7. Where? To ask about place. Where do you live? In London. Description. What kind? What kind of car is it? A high bird. When? To ask about time. When did he arrive? In the afternoon. How many? How many beds are there? 3. Why? To ask about reason. Why did you leave? Because I was tired. How much? How much tea is there? A lot. How? How did you go? By car. How long? How long did you stay? 2 weeks. What? What are you doing? Nothing. How often? How often do you go? Every day. Which? Which car is better? The red one. How far? How far is the town? 1 mile away. Whose? Whose book is this? It's mine. How old? How old is your sister? It's 27. Okay. Word order in questions. Let me show you. Question word, auxiliary verb, subject, and main verb, as we said. What time? What time? How much? How much? Where? Where? What car? What car? All of these are the question words. What, how much, where, and what. All these are question words, and we already talked about the usage of every one. Auxiliary verb like what, do, does, did, is, have. Subject like you, he, she, okay? And main verb like, get up, pay, working, and got. Okay. Can any one of you make a false question? Yes, I can say. Where did you where did you working? No, it's not right. Here working. So I can say, where is she working? Yes, very good. What car have you got? Hyundai. Yes, very good. And question with be. Question with be. Question word also, and then auxiliary be, subject, and adjective, noun, etc. Okay? How old, where, when, and auxiliary be like is, are, where, was, is, are in present, and where was in past. Subject like he, she, it, was, he, she, it, we, they, okay, and names like Ahmed, Muhammad, Sharon, okay, and adjective and noun. So I want all of you to make a question by using how old. Yes, how old is she? How old is she? And I want all of you to make question by using when. When? Where? Yes, very good. You? Yesterday. No, it is not right. Yesterday here is a time. So I can say, when were you yesterday? No, it's not right. But I can say, where were you yesterday? In the club. Yes, very good. And now, let us answer together. Choose the correct answer. Whose, when, where, birthday today? Yes, whose? Whose birthday today? Number 2. When, whose, what, was, is born? Was born. When? When was he born? 3. Whose, where, who is going to the cinema? With you. Who is going to the cinema with you? My friend. When, where, what did you buy for the market, from the market? When, which, whose car is that? William's or Tom's? Which? Which car is that? William's or Tom's? Which what where did you leave your children? Where did you leave your children? At home. The last one. What, who, where does she live? In London. Okay? Let's answer another exercise. Ask a question about the underlined words. Number 1, he gives her a present. A present here, thing. So I'm going to ask thing. Which WH word? What? Yes, very good. What does what does he give her? He gives her a present. She eats her lunch at 3 o'clock. So here I'm going to ask about time. Time. So I have to use which WH? Yes. When? Very good. When does she eat her lunch? She eats her lunch at 3 o'clock. Mom cooks food in the kitchen. In the kitchen, it's a place, so I have to use yes, where? Very good. Where does mom cook food? Mom cooks food in the kitchen. Yes, very good. They drink milk before sleeping. Milk, milk, milk thing. I'm going to use yes, what? Very good. What do they drink before sleeping? They drink milk before sleeping. Yes, very good. She studied English last night. Last night time. So I have to use when. Yes, very good. When did she study English? She studied English last night. Sandy left because she was ill. Because she was ill, so here I'm asking about reason. So I have to use why. Why did Sandy leave? Sandy left because she was ill. The boy was under the table. The boy was under the table, positions or place, so I have to use where. Yes, very good. Where was the boy? The boy was under the table. The last one. She ate 3 slices of pizza. Three, number. So I have to use how many. Yes, very good. How many slices of pizza did she eat? 3 slices of pizza. I want all of you enjoy watching. See you later in next video, inshallah. Thank you.